Rolling improves the balance system in the body and requires coordination. Your child is making really important connections between their brain and body. Learning to roll, rotate and move builds confidence and develops healthy emotions. It's also an important safety skill as it's often needed to land safely after a fall. Log rolling and other rotations provide exercise and stimulates the vestibular system. Basically, that means it lights up the body senses and gives our brains messages about motion, head position and where the body is in space. It all helps with balance, stability and maintaining posture. This is needed for almost every activity we do in life. Rolling can look like this, or this, or this. As your child develops, they can learn to do forward and backward rolls and rotate around equipment such as a gymnastics bar. Most of all, it's about having fun as your child learns to master a new skill at their own pace.